Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change a VW Jetta headlight bulb. First, gather your tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs, typically H7. Make sure your car's engine is completely off and cool to the touch to prevent any burns. Then, open the hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get to the bulb. Carefully remove the plastic engine cover by simply lifting it up. Next, unclip the power steering reservoir from its bracket and gently move it out of the way. There's no need to disconnect any hoses. Finally, you'll see a round cover on the back of the headlight assembly. Twist this cover counterclockwise to remove it, revealing the bulb housing. With the housing open, you can now replace the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. Then, unclip the metal retaining spring that holds the bulb in place and carefully pull out the old bulb. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands. Make sure it's seated correctly before re-engaging the retaining spring and reattaching the electrical connector. To finish up, replace the headlight assembly cover by twisting it clockwise until it's secure. Then, carefully put the power steering reservoir back into its bracket. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the simple path to wealth and other great deals. Finally, turn on your car and test the new headlight to ensure it's working correctly. You've successfully changed your VW Jetta headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.